So good evening guys, we're going to start now with the old piano that we're converting to a wine rack or wine shelf. The idea with this is on top we're going to have space for glasses, 2 glasses behind each other. Hopefully we can fit about 12 glasses in here, just wine glasses. We're going to have a glass panel covering the keys of the piano, and in the bottom we're going to have just a wine rack to put the wine bottles in. I haven't really planned everything in detail. I'm going to go plan it as I go. So let's see how this goes. Let's enjoy it. Thank you. Okay guys, the piece of wood I got for this project now for the wine rack in the bottom of the piano. It's a 610mm wide, 3 meters long, 20mm thick. I'm going to cut this up, and I prefer to make a diamond shape wine shelf, wine rack. Let's cut it up and see how far we get. So the plan is I want to do a half laps. As you can see, I marked the half laps out. It's a 200mm. I'm going to half lap 100mm. And I really hope my plan is going to work. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. So let's mark and see if it's going to work. Hi guys, so the question probably came up, why does my blade stick out so much when I cut the half laps? For the demonstration I did this. As you can see, if it's a low blade, you have quite a big undercut. Whereas if I put the blade as high as possible, my undercut is something like maybe 6 or 7mm. So that's the reason for the blade sticking out so much. It is a bit more dangerous. Please be careful when you do it and know your machine. Thank you.